If you want to smoothen out sharp images, then what you can do is you can utilize the Symmetric Nearest Neighbor option in the enhance filter. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto filter, and then I'm going to go around onto enhance, and over here you can see that symmetric nearest neighbor is an option. And once I do that, you can see that it immediately smoothens things out. So I can go around and reduce the radius right here to get to the original form, and I can go around and increase this out right here to smoothen this out. So if I were to go around onto the detail area like this, you can see that immediately it starts smoothing things out right here, just like this. So as you go around and increase it, it smoothens out the pixels, as you can see. You can go around and change around the pair around over here, just like this as well, to control around the detail around over here. And this is what you have. If I were to go around, you see a subtle change around over here on the image, and it's much more smoother. You can see the preview on before and after right here, just like this, and work around with the split view just like this as well, as you can see. If I were to go around and press OK, then this effect will be applied over here. And that is how you can work around with Symmetric Nearest Neighbor option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.